Model, 67-plate Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335L2H2 130 No E-Runner Cambelt snapped. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 143301. MOT, the 2nd of November 2024. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, timing belt has snapped. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111